Hello all the warriors, this is Rory. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing the 2021 Japan Cup unit, and the item number is 95143. Okay, so let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. So let's start from the body. So the body is like this. Okay, and that's the spoiler. Okay, so that is how it looks like. And this is the stickers for the body. Okay, and this is the bracket for the body. Okay, it's blue, and the chassis is VZ, and the material is ABS. Okay, and the color is dark blue, and the parts as well dark blue. Okay, and next we're gonna talk about is the medium. It's a wheel, so it's a medium-sized 5-spoke wheel. Okay, and this is the material is PP. Okay, so here as usual, the Japan Cup unit usually come with the super hard tire. So this is the lettering. You can see the Japan Cup 2021 Tamiya Mini 4WD. The lettering, super hard tire. Okay, and medium size, and the gear ratio is 3.5 high-speed gear, and it comes with one carbon pinion gear. The carbon pinion gear, yes, and also the I think this one we should call the low friction wheel, plastic wheel bearing. Okay, so this is everything for this unit. Okay, so let's see how it looks like after we build it. So as you guys see how it looks like, there's some comment I want to say something about the Japan Cup, because I don't know, do you guys realize that is like seems like last year the Japan Cup unit is starting changing, because before we only have the hard body, like it seems like 2013 up to 2019, and all those body are all plastic, and those are pretty heavy. But it seems like 2020 the Vanquish, and this year the Japan Cup, the Dual Ridge Junior, and now giving us the poly body, so which means it's much more better and that's more valuable for if you get the Japan Cup unit. And also if you follow my channel for a long time, and you know the Japan Cup is always one of my collections, because I have all from 2013 until now. So this will definitely become one of my collections. Okay, and the other thing is, I believe this body is also available for if you play RC. I'm not too sure, but I'm thinking it is. So like I said, if you like this kind of like this card, and special you like all the parts it came with, why don't you just get one for yourself? Alright, so this is today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.